Welcome to Talking Freedom. I'm your humble host, Malik. Today we're talking about the Fifth Amendment. The Fifth Amendment was drafted to put a firm legal stop sign on how much power the government could wield over an individual. Its core ideas were born out of a fear that, just as monarchs had abused their authority in Europe, the new U.S. government might similarly trample personal liberties. The framers wanted a safety net that, 1. Prevents self-incrimination. No person shall be compelled to testify against themselves. 2. Stops double jeopardy. A person can't be tried twice for the same offense. 3. Guarantees due process. The government must follow fair procedures before depriving a person of life, liberty, or property. 4. Protects private property. Requires just compensation when land is taken for public use, the Takings Clause. By bundling these protections into one amendment, the Founding Fathers created a bulwark against arbitrary state power. The Fifth Amendment was part of the first 10 amendments known as the Bill of Rights that were ratified on December 15, 1791. The Bill of Rights emerged after the Constitutional Convention and a period of intense debate over whether the Constitution should include explicit limits on federal power. Citizens demanded that the new government not repeat the abuses they had fought against in the Revolution. Here's why it's important today. 1. Criminal justice and Miranda rights. The U.S. Supreme Court's Times, Miranda v. Arizona, 1966 cemented the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, ensuring suspects are aware of their protections before police interrogation. Due process in a digital age. With massive data collection by law enforcement agencies and private companies, the Due Process Clause guards against unlawful seizure of personal information or digital property. 3. Protection for whistleblowers and journalists. The right not to self-incriminate is crucial for those exposing corruption. Think Edward Snowden or investigative reporters who risk legal retaliation. 4. Safeguard against political persecution. History has shown the Fifth Amendment as a shield against politically motivated prosecutions, such as during McCarthyism and more recent high-profile cases involving whistleblowers or activists. 5. Eminent domain in modern development. As cities expand, the Takings Clause ensures that residents receive fair compensation when private land is appropriated for highways, schools, or other public projects protecting against unjust displacement. Here's the bottom line. The Fifth Amendment isn't a relic of the past. It's a living safeguard that adapts to new threats from surveillance technology to political witch hunts. Understanding why it was created and how it continues to shield us from overreach is essential for anyone who cares about liberty, fairness, and the rule of law. Once again, this is Malik. As always, we're talking freedom. Stay informed, stay free.